was really craving these crispy, juicy, spicy shrimp, and I just had to get in the kitchen and whip them up. So here I have my shrimp that has been deveined and shell removed. The only thing was I left the tail on. Now you can completely remove them. I seasoned this with garlic and herb seasoning, all-purpose, cayenne pepper, paprika, and also some white pepper. Then I'm just gonna add an egg and give this a good mix. Now you can use whatever seasoning you want. I'm just basically going ahead using what I have in my cupboard. I allowed the shrimp to marinate for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and add them to some cornstarch and just give this a good mix, making sure all my shrimps are coated. Now when it's time to fry, I just go in with a little bit of the cornstarch just to test if the oil is hot. Once it starts bubbling, I just go ahead and add my shrimps. For the size shrimp that I had, I fried these about 3 minutes per side. Now I did these in 2 batches because I don't want to overcrowd the pan, because when you do that, the temperature of the oil will drop and you won't have that nice crispiness that you're looking for. After about 3 minutes, as I said, I'm going to turn these over and just allow them to fry for the same time. After this time my shrimp was ready, I removed them and went ahead and fried the second batch. Now there's just always something about the second batch of anything that you fry that just comes out with a much more nicer color. I think because the oil is fresh, you know, these ones, they do look a little bit pale, but don't watch that, they were still nice. For my second batch is the same process as before, about 3 minutes per side. Now if your shrimps are not that big, you don't want to go to 3 minutes. They may need maybe about 2 minutes, 2.5, even 1.5 minutes, as I said, depending on the size. But I wanted a really nice crisp on these, so I went 3 minutes and they were just perfect for the size shrimp that I had. Now a little method I use when I'm frying anything, when I'm deep frying anything, is once I see that the bubbles, they kind of reduce drastically, then I know that the food is ready. It's kind of, you won't have that much bubbles. Now look at this shrimp, it just, ooh. Now my shrimps are ready. Now I wanted to make a bang bang sauce, but I didn't have no sriracha, so what I did, I combined some mayonnaise, some sweet chili sauce, and also some cayenne pepper, gave it a good mix, and then poured this all over my fried shrimp. Now, you know, you can give this a little mix. I did go and try to toss them, but I never did want any of the shrimp end up on the floor, because you know, so that is not it. So I decided to abort that plan and went back in with my spoon. Now after this time, my juicy, crispy, spicy shrimp is ready. Now I'm just gonna garnish this with a little parsley and just start the namming process. Just eat and eat and eat. I'm not gonna lie, I stood there and not gonna tell you how much me eating now, but yeah, I was really craving these shrimp, so I decided to go ahead and make them. And there you have it, guys, my juicy, crispy, spicy shrimp, just nice. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment and share this video if possible. Also give me a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel and it does help YouTube to push my videos. Now until the next time, guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.